Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. Today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line Contrast Edition 35 TFSI with a 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular Audi A1 comes finished in the Python yellow paint finish, and at the time of recording this video has covered just over 13,550 miles, and this being a contrast edition comes with the Mythos black contrasting roof. As we make our way down the side of the vehicle, we have this car's impressive 18-inch 7-spoke rotor design alloy wheels. And taking a look at this car's boot space, we have an ample amount of room for a range of day-to-day tasks, with the rear seats able to be folded in a 60/40 configuration to expand the car's boot space. The rear seats in this car come finished in the leather and Alcantara material and feature the child ISOFIX anchor points for easily installing a child car seat. As we take a look around, we can see there's ample legroom here in the back for adults and children alike. As we make our way to the front of the vehicle, the leather multi-function steering wheel greets you on entry with the Audi virtual cockpit display, and to the centre of the car's dash we have the large intuitive multimedia touchscreen. Taking a look around, we can see the front seats again come finished in the leather and Alcantara material and feature plenty of adjustment controls. The buttons located on the steering wheel keep many of the commonly used functions right at the driver's fingertips, so you can easily keep your attention on the road ahead. And this car's cruise control system is controlled here by the cruise control stalk and is perfect for those longer motorway journeys. As we move over to the central multimedia touchscreen with the car's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto feature for easily connecting your smartphone device, gaining access to a range of compatible applications, music streaming services, as well as those all-important hands-free mobile phone calls. As we make our way into the vehicle's menu, we have the car's Audi Drive Select system with a range of different driving styles to choose from. We can also access the range of different driver assist settings and functions and change the volume of the car's rear parking sensors. Further down we have the manual control dials for the car's climate control system to change the temperature, the fan intensity and fan's direction. Further down still we have some quick access buttons for different menu options. We also have a 12-volt power socket, a USB-A and USB-C port to keep media devices nice and charged. Further back we have the car's 6-speed manual gearbox, which does come with the manual parking brake. So thank you for coming on a tour of this approved used Audi A1 Sportback. If you would like any more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, then please do give our friendly sales team a call.